5L40E pump assembly. Here's a pump. Look carefully right here, see where you have a filter right here. The filter collapsed inside there and damaged. Right here. So I have to move the pump and then I remove it, spin and take it out. Alright? So this is what happened with this pump. The filter damage inside here. Alright guys? And this is the other side of the pump. Right? This is the other side where the pump seat has some fill inside here. I'm going to remove all of these and clean all of these inside here. Alright? 5L40E pump. Alright?
Just mind you.
So I'm gonna pull this part and then show what I find inside. Alright guys?